Welcome to this beautiful home in Lake Elmo. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3,000 square feet, and it's sitting on approximately 8,000 square feet of land. Let's go take a look inside. As we enter the home, we're greeted by these giant windows bringing in natural light. Very spacious foyer here for either a bench or for all your shoes. To my right here, there's these giant staircases going to the upstairs level. As we enter into the rest of the home, we come into the family room and the kitchen with the giant island right in the middle. I really like these dark tone woods that really separate the floor with the countertops. This, I believe, is marble countertop. We also have white cabinets on this side with stainless steel appliance throughout, also more dark tone woods. We also have a 5 stove burner here, which is really handy. Lots of space for cooking all throughout. Over on this side, we have a standalone sink on the island, which is really nice and handy when you're doing a lot of prep work. Beautiful stainless steel appliances. I have the microwave on top of the oven. Come over here and check this out. Just a beautiful giant microwave. You could fit a whole turkey in there if you wanted to. Over on this side, we have the walk-in pantry. Again, like the rest of the house, lots of space to store your items. Store your canned foods, dry goods, and continuing on over to this side of the home. Right over here would be where your dining table would be, sliding door. Right now there's no deck built here yet, but bring your ideas and be creative. Over here on this side of the home, beautiful windows that bring in lots of light into the home. And right over here, we got more windows. I really like these smaller windows here, breaking up the walls. It makes it not so boring and not so plain. Here on the fireplace, again, we're seeing those darker tone, breaking up the wall and the fireplace. Beautiful stone veneer. Lots of space on top of the fireplace to put your paintings or put your TV, whichever you prefer. Now let's continue on to the other side of the main level where we're gonna see the den. And here on my right hand side, you're gonna get the den. And this is really spacious as well. This could be converted into your office, a library maybe, or just a simple reading nook, some place to hang out and chill. Lots of electrical outlets here for all your electronics. Also, there's outlets for cable and for Wi-Fi internet as well. And as we continue on down the hallway, we're gonna see the mud room here. And here's a door that leads out into the garage. And right over here, we're gonna get the sink and toilet. And check out these doors. These doors are tall. I believe these are 12-foot ceilings. Now let's go upstairs to the upper level where all the bedrooms are gonna be. Coming upstairs, you can see that this is really wide, which would be really great for bringing in your furniture and everything else that you need up here. This is the loft area, and it's really spacious. Again, those windows. I know I keep saying this, but throughout this entire home, there's a lot of windows bringing in natural light. And as we continue down the hall here, we'll get to these bedrooms. Let's actually start all the way down here in the primary bedroom. And here we have the primary bedroom. Got vaulted ceilings, really nice carpeting, and you can fit a whole king-size bed here. Absolutely no issues. Coming in over here, we got the primary bathroom. Really nice dual sinks, deep tub, and a standalone shower. And over here on my left, we have the water closet with your toilet here. Over on this side, we have the linen closet. And then here is the biggest closet. This is your walk-in closet. Just imagine putting all your stuff all around. Lots of room to build and customize for your own. You can even put drawers, anything else that you want in here. Now let's continue down the hall to the other rooms and see how they look. Right outside the primary bedroom is this little room here. This is the laundry room. Everything is attached, ready to go, ready for you to bring in your own ideas. And across from the laundry room, we have the first bedroom. And again, this is really spacious room, spacious closet for all of your storage needs. And the cool thing about this room is that it has a shared bathroom. And we got these beautiful sliding doors, tucks right into the walls. We got a single sink, and then over to my left side we have a separate toilet and shower with a private door. And then here we walk into the other bedroom that shares the bathroom. Perfect mirror image of the other bedroom. Really open and spacious closet for all of your storage needs. And as we continue down the hall, across the hall over on this side, we get the fourth bedroom on the upper level. Nice sized rooms, just like the other ones, with a really nice closet, lots of storage space. So that is it for the upstairs tour. Let's go ahead and take a look really quick in the basement. As we come down the stairs, we can see that, again, just like upstairs, we got really nice tall ceilings, really wide set of stairs. This basement is actually unfinished, so you could bring in all of your creativity to finish up the basement however you'll like. Right over here, nice little area maybe for storage. We got some plumbing right over here to our left side. Maybe put a bathroom. You have another living room, living area space down here. You could build a few more bedrooms, another bathroom, or maybe even turn it into your movie theater down here. So that is pretty much it for just the basement. That concludes the tour of this home. If you like these videos, make sure you drop a comment down below, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what kind of other houses you would like to see. I'll go ahead and do more tours of those for you. And if you ever have any questions, make sure you follow me on Facebook. That would be the easiest way to contact me through social media. I'll go ahead and put links down below. Make sure you take a look at the description. Follow me on Facebook as well. We'll see you on the next one.